Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, it's winter in Melbourne and my favorite food to have in winter is hot pot. So I found this recipe. This is the first time I make this. It's a Japanese hot pot called Nabe, and that's what we're gonna make today. We're going to need a shallow pan. We're going to add 4 cups of water into the pan. We're going to close the lid and let it boil. Once it boils, we're going to add some dry kelp, 2 pieces of dry kelp, about maybe a little bit bigger than your palm size, and we're going to add 1 cup of bonito flakes. Now we're going to turn up the heat and close the lid, let this steep for half an hour. Next, we're going to move on to the veggies. So I've got some enoki mushroom here. We're just going to cut off the end, and then we're going to separate them into small bunches. I also got some Chinese cabbage here. What we're going to do is we'll just cut off the end and then we'll just cut them into small squares. For the spring onions here, I'll just cut them into small chunks. Now for the carrot, I'm going to peel the outer skin first, and then I'm going to make little cuts lengthwise along the carrot. After that, I'm going to cut it horizontally so it can make these little cute flowers. Now for the tofu, I'm just going to drain them first, and then we're just going to cut them into slices. Now for the meat, I've got some sliced pork here. I'll just let it to defrost. Our dashi broth has been steeping for 30 minutes. We're going to take the lid off, and then we're going to scoop out all the kelps and also bonito flakes as well. to this dashi, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mirin and also 2 tablespoons of cooking sake. And to this, we will also add 2 tablespoons of miso. Alright, so this is the last part. We're going to add all the veggies. We're going to add the mushroom, the tofu, the spring onions, and also our sliced porks as well. And of course, don't forget our little cute carrot flowers that we made before. My favorite dipping sauce for this dish is a ponzu sauce, which I make a separate video. You can check it out with the link below.